Surefire, Road to Camcorder. What up?
Oh god, what is that?
Alright, so, what we're gonna do, we have,
internet money.
We have internet money before even getting a contract.
Internet,
this is from the future.
Internet money.
And so...
Shut up. This is called ROT.
What's the O?
Alright, it's called RTCC.
Anyway, from someone who can spell, this is Road to Camcorder, RTCC, and we want a good camcorder and camera, because this thing sucks.
This isn't even a camera. This is literally a toaster. Alright.
We're recording with a toaster.
Road to Camcorder and Leo's questioning sexuality. Alright. As the rapist lurks behind the dumpster. Dun dun dun. The weird camera angle.
Alright, yep. Hopefully you can see both of us.
You're not going to see me.
What's gonna happen is here we are at look at the highway.
Main Street.
There's a large highway separating
of
us
the illustrious town of Norwood.
and our goal, which is in the same lot as Staples. There's a Walgreens where we can supposedly...
There are kids to the right of us that are giving us the sketchiest look I've ever seen in my life.
Anyway.
The crossing of deer on a highway. Dun 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 dun. In the middle of the day. What should I get? Yes.
Hi, what we're doing, we are buying this card, a Visa card, between $20 and $500, and it's going to be used to buy the camera online. Here we go. Is this all together? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
128.25.
Of course I am.
Is that total 128.25?
That's all right. I got something. That's what's There's 50 people now. I'll see you in a minute. You see them?
Road to Camcorder.
Hello?
Not going.
Alright, so it's asking for a billing address, which must be match your... Just put your real stuff and you won't actually get any, according to Ryan. Are you sure
Roger
about
that.
Okay. Alright, sounds good.
Alright, we're back after our road to camcorder. And it went mildly successful.
It went smoother than I expected.
Went way, way worse than
Even
I
though
expected.
it's actually not really officially done yet. We the card that we bought, it was a Visa gift card that we need to wait 24 hours. It says that it could take up to 24 hours for the funds to be active.
Government conspiracy, most likely.
Yeah, and so we tried to enter the information, and we're ordering it through Walmart. We're going to have it shipped to Jason's house, and it didn't work when we entered all the information, so we assumed we were just going to wait 24 hours. If in 24 hours there's no money on the card,
we're about to see something on the news about Walgreens getting shot up by fucking 16-year-olds. That's what's going to happen.
Yeah, it will.
Alright, well, I think that
Surefire, it's gonna happen. Yep,
God.
That's wrapping it up.
Surefire. Alright, that wraps up this little
segment. Hopefully tomorrow we'll hit you with another video seeing the latest on the camera.